Well, we just got in our new shipment of Advanced Tree Stands. It just came on board as a sponsor. We've got the Smackdown. Super excited. Just unpacking it for the first time. Take a look at it here. Cool. Perfect. Compact. Dropped a little bit. Look at that. Love how that packs together like that. So super compact. Love the way it's strapped down. It's tight, compact, easy to carry in. It's actually not too heavy. It's got the inverse leaf pattern on the bottom of the stand, so when a deer comes in, it looks up, it's gonna look like the lighter color backside of the leaves. Pretty excited to see how this works. We've got a lot of stand locations to put these guys up in, and you can bet we're gonna be hunting from them next week. Play around with it here a little bit.